Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually, welcome back to my sister's YouTube channel. As you guys know, she's doing a vlogmas, right? So yeah, I just came here to update you guys. We're currently at the shop right now to buy maize meal, and yeah. Hi guys, so right now is like around past 6 to 6 past 6, okay, yeah, past 6, and we're taking a walk. We're preparing this one to go buy Sprite. Yeah, we are almost there. We are going in there. Yes, we are here. We are here. We are here. We are here. This is my last money, guys. Somewhere. So more when I get ranta every day, Stock City every day. We bought Sprite. And then he's buying lunch bar. And then this one is spending my last money. This one. Can I please have 2 lollipops? I want those, yeah, purple ones. The purple ones.
How many?
2. No, one of that one and yeah.
And what?
Mañana de discutimos mátame. Giving the fun, my love. I don't want to get morir. Chingay na what get morir. Ang women are sing busy. But I get morir. Your smell like everybody and I pass it to her. Mga kailan ko si Puseng Super. Menting panik mo Song song, parang nanaba. Nagbujuan, nagawin ka lang. Ngalan ng mga this my yan na first na sige pa rin makakal. Baby, mommy. Pasila na makuno, I can't what next week. Better tell him it's more than love. Just like that, you're lying. Let's do it. When I bet, don't want to look. I said it, belong. You know, I want you. Want you, you got to me. Eba si kita disukando do pele, do babe, si pele, oh si pele lunga punizi, bang fagu moya going I fell I'm not getting up woman you una masel the when I come then I'm in bed say I like it I you so I'm making even to ele la ma lo mangi aweni iso lele to tanda la kunga kiti yang sangat is ana dawa kapina kuna ladies kodo please.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tyler's YouTube channel. So today we are going to a wedding. So right now we're just taking a walk to go see Tyler's friend, and then we're gonna come back. When we come back, we're gonna find my dad ready and prepared. Then isn't it the same thing? Nigga, what? But anyway, yeah, after that then we're gonna leave. So stay tuned.
Emoji.
Hey,
Yes.
yeah, tino lang kayo na yun.
The only one na lang emoji mo gan.
Lagu hati yang sangat is mengobat lebih baik sangat is kodok is tinggi dan sangat acung basi tadi sudah duduk lupa oh si belum ngomong di sini tinggi tinggi jatuh aku say oh baby how did I I'll take it I don't love me so
Ay, basta po chun. Ayan, lala chun. Hulukile.
Hola. El agua, ini tu el agua. Moji ni
It's so natural. You belong to me, I belong to you. Oh, hey!
Okay guys, just a little update on my hair because I remember telling you guys that me and my sister gonna relax our hair. So what we used a blowout relaxer, the one that I showed you guys on the video. We used that one just to get our hair to be a little bit soft, you know, because I had a lot of growth. So we used that, and on Tuesday I'm gonna go braid as well as my sister. So yeah, so I didn't moisturize it, I just blow dried it, and then this is how it looks. the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever. Amen. Hi guys, welcome back to Tana's YouTube channel. So today is the 16th of December and we are going to do our hair. This is the progress. This is me. I don't know how she's gonna edit this because I know how to edit when like cameras are flipped. But yeah, also I updated you guys. I'm not editing my sister. Okay, I'll do the edit. I also updated you guys about how we got here late, but it was early in the morning, but late because what time is it? It's you want to the time. It's 10:09 and she's almost done. I'm having toppers and Coke. Yeah. Hopefully I don't fall asleep again because I was down bed. I was in the pits.